Alright, the time has come. We're gonna gut this thing. Make it an open platform party wagon. I don't know how to get these things out, so we're just gonna manhandle them out. Hopefully. Can't find any screws. The screws that I have found, I've taken out. I should probably have some gloves on, so I don't cut my hand. But what's the fun of gloves? Then there's no story, right? I'm not the first one to make a YouTube video about this van. I'll link the previous owner's video in the description. They're the ones that painted it white in here. Personally, I would have left it alone like it was. But it wasn't mine then, so not my decision, right? For anybody in the comments that wonders what I'm doing, my goal is to take this on Hot Rod Power Tour 2026, not as a motorhome, but as just a little hangout pad for me and my family to be cool and comfortable. This thing stay in here. This is a vent pipe that's put in after the fact. Oh, it's a PVC. There is no power. It's not plugged in. Has no battery. Okay. That's it. Okay, now I'm just going to go through in this and take out all the screws I can find, and then we'll manhandle whatever doesn't get loose. And maybe we manhandle along the way just to expedite things. Probably a really flattering view. Found a stereo amp. Get all this stereo wiring expertly removed. And now this should come loose. Should being the key word. Okay. Get a magnet in here and pick up all these screws here in a minute. After I get all these boards out of the way. That box is the wheel well, so obviously it's going to stay. But short of this board, it's probably got another screw I can't see in it somewhere. That's that area. We'll be back. You're next, buddy. Okay, next order of business is to get the kitchen area handled. So, actual towel. Didn't expect that. I'm not sure what I expected, being 1972, but real towel wasn't in my cards or on my bingo card. pipe is in my way. It looks like it's going to come out in one piece, which doesn't really help me because it won't fit out the door in one piece. But I can break it up once I get it shook loose, I guess. It's hot in here. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, now we can see what's behind door number 2. And try to get a handle on what it's going to take to get it out of here. I think more ribbage is in order. I'm taking that wall out too, so no reason not to just go for it. It is stuck to this wall now. I'll show you once I get it out. Things have progressed. All right, we got all the kitchen galley out, and I'm gonna leave the water heater so that I don't have a big square hole for cats or something to get in here for right now until I have an opportunity to make a plug for it. Next, we're gonna get the refrigerator out, and we'll end up leaving the furnace for the same reasons as the water heater, and then we'll move on to the wall and the restroom, the shower and whatnot's back there. So let's get this refrigerator out of here. Somehow. Oh. Watch your toes. I don't know how it's wired.
I'm not sure.
Okay, just plug in. Oh, that's cut. Another plug in. Okay. Let's see. Timber. I don't know how heavy it is, but I guess I'm gonna find out. It's still carrying something.
Oh, down. On the bottom.
There's some wire cutters. I don't know what it is. Maybe you can cut it
Yeah, what are the water cutters?
on the seat, maybe.
Oh. Oh no, it's copper.
Oh. Here, watch out. Copper line, copper line. I don't know why I took a shower to do this. One refrigerator, expertly removed. Let me get it out of here. All right, refrigerator's out. Just a touch more cleanup to do on that. But next up is this wall. And it's pretty sturdy. I have no idea. I may end up cutting it and then just breaking it out. But because I can't find any screws. But I'm going to try to, run through it first just for, I think it'll be fun. That didn't work. It's like a trampoline right behind you. Okay. Make some noise.
Solid part about the whole thing.
There's the screw that comes in from the top. Well, that was pretty anticlimactic. Other than bouncing off the wall. The other closet will be more because there's a sink and stuff involved. But we'll get it. All right, round 2, wall 2. There's a little closet in this one. It's gonna fall apart. Again, pretty sturdy wall. Get off of my bugs.
There's one right there.
Same thing, I think I'm just going to cut this one, try to finesse it out. Where's your wire cutters? So cutters. Oh, I got them still.
I just had to be careful down because the wires were scratching against my leg. Probably gonna need to cut that into it, huh?
Yeah, I can get it out of the way. There's There's a series of screws along the back I'll take out. But I can just cut this and get it out of my way. Let me show y'all what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to do it. Got a series of screws right here along the edge. I'm just going to take all those out real quick and get the rest of this wall out, and we'll be right back. All right, got most of that out. This piece has got to come out after the sink, so let's get this sink out of here. I took a series of screws out. (1972) called, they want their dirt back. The good news is, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it. I found the toilet paper holder.
Oh, the inside?
Yeah. It looks like the toilet overflowed a few times.
Oh.
With some blue water. Bigger in here.
Yeah.
Now y'all know damn good and well, I ain't no damn plumber. Damn toilet. Somebody boo-boo up in there. Hey, you coming with me? Go near, it's actually porcelain.
Oh.
I didn't go near how I wanted it to.
Put it into the floor.
Yeah, I was hoping it'd break off at the floor, not the where the doo-doo hangs out. But it's alright. It's alright. Alright guys, we're gonna, let's see what this takes. Alright, y'all don't care nothing about watching us clean this stuff up. I gotta get some tools to get the toilet base off, but we'll clean all this up and show you what it looks like blank canvas. There's the interior of the old Warbird. Well, we decided to pop the hood and see what we're working with. I knew it was a 318. I'm told that it has a blown head gasket, but what I wasn't expecting to see is an MSD ignition with a Blaster 2 coil and the, if you can see it, chrome alternator. Somebody thought they had them a hot rod. Anyway, that's cool. But here's our blank canvas. Like I said earlier, the water heater is going to stay until we figure out a plug for that. I haven't pulled the base of the toilet out yet just because it's a base of a toilet. And then the furnace, it's sandwiched between the paneling and the outside wall, so I can't pull it out. But we do intend on pulling all this paneling out as well. Just not going to do it just yet. I'm going to do a little bit of homework. We have to figure out how to structure these walls. As you can see, it's kind of separating down there at the bottom. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Fingers are dusty. You can see it's kind of separating down there. Anyway, we'll figure that out. And I did think this was cool. And Dee had a good idea. We should get this down pretty carefully and frame it, put it back in here once we're done. Code of Ethics for Recreational Vehicle Owners by the Winnebago Company. That's probably been in here since 1972. If I had to guess. It was in the closet. So, anyway, that's what we got for now. I don't know how often I'll be able to do videos on this because I don't know what my next step is. But what I do know what my next step is covering up this here hole so it doesn't get rained in. Apparently it's had an open hole, but it was above the shower, and it would just drain right out the shower, so it wasn't a big deal. You can see where it's been washing the walls as it rained. But anyway, that's the tardy bell. I gotta go.